So the question of the day that we had is, can you build a outdoor kitchen on a wood deck? And I think the answer is coming earlier.
You
Right?
could, but probably not the greatest idea in the world. It just depends on structurally, what's there. It's the same with everything. The foundation of everything is the most critical part of building anything. The foundation is not stable. If it can't support whatever it is that's being built, this goes to home construction, pool construction, building a grill, building a deck, all that stuff. It is the foundation. And, it's kind of funny because I've seen some pictures online. I mean, there's all kinds of websites to look at and you just scratch your head going, why? I mean, did they just not think of this? And I think that's probably what happens. People just don't think about it. They don't know any better.
Well, and your cabinets can weigh all kinds of different things. If you do a stainless steel framed cabinet, that's one weight load, versus there's PVC cabinets, that's a different weight load. Versus you come in and do full masonry and stone, that's a totally different weight load that you're going to put on a wood deck. So it's just something that you would certainly want to make sure that the framing underneath was designed to carry the load that you're going to consider. Almost all the outdoor kitchens I do are set on the ground and have a concrete footing underneath them.
And I love wood decks. I like the fact that we work with wood here. No, in Phoenix, it's just not really an option because the sun just really roasts the wood. But growing up in Idaho, owning a construction company in Idaho, framing houses, building houses, we built hundreds and hundreds of decks. Many of them we put hot tubs, you know, in. We didn't build them on the deck. We actually recessed them down into the deck so they were on solid footing, and built a deck around them. But we've got so many more materials to work with here, whether it's a perimeter overflow pool and you're taking grass right into the edge, to a pool with concrete or pavers, and you've got deck as an accent, wooden deck as an accent. There's just so many more materials to work with, but each of those materials has a consideration.
You want to know what you're working with before you go out and do it. So, anyway, so if you're going to use an outdoor kitchen on a wood deck, you just need to do some research first to make sure it'll handle what you're trying to do. So,